We will be replacing the halogen map lights on this 2007 Toyota Prius with all new LED lights from ALA Lighting. The bulbs are located here. First, we will remove the cover with something flat, like a flathead screwdriver or this clip remover. To remove the bulbs, simply pull them straight out. We will replace it with this LED light from ALA Lighting. The base is the same as the halogen bulbs. To replace the bulbs, push them straight into the sockets. Put the cover back on, hinge first, then push it shut until it clicks. Here's a 2007 Toyota Prius with all new LED lights from ALA Lighting. You can see the difference in brightness and color temperature to the halogen bulbs.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are ALA Lighting.